got my forge going, so I'm gonna make this short, but I wanted to kind of show what I was doing. This is what I'm making. This is a hoe. It's not been dressed up at all. This is as forged. You can see my stamp's kind of faint. I didn't worry about getting it too. I don't even usually stamp the garden tools, but you put this bend gives it a little bit of relief and spring, and the only place that I harden is down here on the end. So when I put these down, so this is big enough to get a pretty good hickory handle in it, or any other kind of hardwood. Has this arch. It's about 1.5 inches wide, and what this allows you to do is it's a weeding hoe, or the fellow that I'm making this for is going to use it for hunting for arrowheads, and so he's going to use it to rake back the dirt for arrowheads. But here are the stages. So this is a piece of coil spring. The spring is right here. Just I think this one came off of a Toyota Land Cruiser, but truck springs, any kind of coil spring works great. This is about a 4-inch piece of probably 5/8 stock. This is how it starts. I'll start to draw down the ends so that I can get, because I have to use these big tongs to grab the 5/8 stock, and I prefer my flat tongs. And so when I get my, it's hard to grab stuff through the camera. When I get it down to this shape, see, I can get a good bite on it with the flat tongs. And similarly, when I get it further down, this way. Now, when you're drawing out this shank, you work these down somewhat, and then you take this and you make this a square. Then you make it an octagon, and then you round it, and you turn it round, or semi-round. This one will be refined a little bit more. You can tell that this side is going to end up being the socket, and this side is going to be the blade. See how it's smoother? I've already started working on that, because when you get to this stage right here, it'll widen out a little bit more, and then the socket will taper out. But the tool for that, let's see, I just made one. Where'd I put it? Oh, here. I made this just to help form, as a mandrel, to help form that that socket, or a tapered drift. But I'm using this hammer, and when I'm really moving material, I use this hammer. This is probably a 6-pound cross peen, and this is about a 2-pound or 2.5-pound ball peen. It's a Stanley. This is what I use for forging all my blades. I've had this was my grandfather's hammer, and I've had this 20 years at least. But yep, that's forging a garden hoe.